Got a loose shower and bathtub faucet? This thing is going to fall right off. Then it might be an issue turning the water off. Don't call the plumber just yet. Let's go. There's a single Allen hex screw underneath the knob. If you don't want to waste water, get it from underneath, but it's trickier because it's hard to see. It comes out pretty quick. Whatever you do, don't drop the screw down the drain. My screw for this faucet required a T15 Allen hex bit. The size of the hex tool you need for your bathtub or shower tubs depends entirely on the brand of the faucet, as there is no universal standard. I got lucky, my knob pulled right off. If the knob is stuck due to mineral buildup, which is very common in bathrooms, you might want to spray it with penetrating oil or white vinegar and let it sit for a few minutes before attempting to take it off. Also, try wiggling it gently up and down to see if it'll break loose. Once it's off, there's a Phillips screw that just needs to be tightened. Over time, it starts to get loose. Now what I'm going to do is to put a drop of blue Loctite on the screw. This should help it from not coming loose so easily. I don't know if this will be foolproof being in the shower, but it's worth a try. And put the screw in firmly. Now there's definitely some mineral buildup. It's a good idea to clean this. This stuff is tough, like little rocks in there. I'm going to give it some extra effort with some steel wool. Break all these minerals up, and this is doing the job. Now, time to put the knob back on. You can see the screw goes in and connects to the thread on the other side. The plastic inner part of the knob just sits in between. There's no threading on the plastic. So let's put the knob on and feed the screw through and tighten. Man, I hate hearing the water run unless I'm using it. But this is easier than doing it from underneath. That's it. Nice and tight. I hope this helped, and if it did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe, so I feel like I'm doing some good in the world.